Friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Motivation by Vishal Modi, and today I've got an amazing session for you. This is kind of a small workshop, a session where I'm going to teach you how to start your online teaching business. Yes, so there are many startups been happening, and in this kind of situation, the pandemic, Corona, COVID-19, as we all know, we are locked down in our homes and we don't have anything to do. So, if you have any inbuilt skill, if you are expertise into anything, then I would suggest start your own online teaching business. Yes, to all the teachers, to all the trainers sitting there who used to go into classrooms and teach, I would urge them explore this platform of online. There's whole world on online, and they are teaching. So why not grab this opportunity, and you can also create your own platform where you can teach online. I am गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू बीट बाय बीट, एक एक करके सब कुछ मैं समझाने वाला हूँ आपको। कौन कौन से मीडियम्स हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं आप, कौन सी वेबसाइट्स है, विच आर द टूल्स दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन, एंड इट इज गोना बी वेरी इजी हाउ टू प्रमोट योर सेल्फ। एवरीथिंग आई एम गोना डिस्कस विथ यू, एंड इफ यू नीड एनी काइंड ऑफ माई हेल्प और एडवाइस और सजेशन, यू कैन कमेंट below the video. Please subscribe our channel. Please like and share if you enjoy the video. Let's go and dig deep what the session has to give you. Thank you. Welcome to our slideshow. I'm gonna explain you on the slideshow. Different slides have been created. So this is our first slide, starting your online teaching business. Real change takes place in deep crisis. I don't know who has said this quote, but I liked it and I have put it up here. This is an amazing quote which says, जो real changes होते हैं, the real changes takes place in deep crisis. जब जब बड़े problems आते हैं, जब जब emergencies आती है, urgencies आती है, necessity होती है, तभी बड़े बदलाव आते हैं लाइफ में। मैं आपको पूरा प्रोसेस बताने वाला हूँ, स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक कैसे ये चलता है, क्या करना है आपको। Let's go to the next slide. This is little introduction of mine, a small introduction. So I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have started 4 startups and they are running successfully. I am IELTS PT TOEFL certified trainer. So I teach English as a secondary language, and I'm a trainer for IELTS PT and TOEFL as well. I'm a corporate trainer, and as you all know, I'm a YouTuber, a motivational speaker, and I'm a fitness freak as well. So marathoner also. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे। अब दिस सेज व्हाई ऑनलाइन, आपको क्यों ऑनलाइन जाना चाहिए, व्हाई यू शुड स्टार्ट टीचिंग बिजनेस। यू विल आस्क मी, विशाल क्यों आपको ऑनलाइन करना है बिजनेस। सो दिस आर फॉलोइंग ऑफ द रीजंस व्हिच आर कन्विंसिंग इनफ टू स्टार्ट एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस। The first one says 60% of global population is online. Yes, आज के दिन में 60% of the world population has internet access. They are online. Second point, 70 crore of Indian population is online. Second after China. So हमारे इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन 135 करोड़ है, उसमें ऑलमोस्ट 70 करोड़, सो 55% ऑफ इंडियन पॉपुलेशन ऑनलाइन है। आप देखिए आपके लिए कितना बड़ा मार्केट अवेलेबल है। E-commerce is booming. Yes, as we all know, Amazon, Flipkart, Oyo, Uber, you name it. I mean, Swiggy, Zomato, Book My Show. So you will see that you are surrounded by these e-commerce websites, and it's booming. And in last 5 years, the e-commerce has doubled. This is the growth rate. The next important point is you decide what to teach and how to teach. आपको डिसाइड करना है, आप डिसाइड करोगे कि मुझे क्या सिखाना है। दिस इज लाइक इफ यू आर वर्किंग समवेयर, इफ यू आर वर्किंग अंडर समवन, देन he will tell you कि you have to teach this thing, you have to teach English, or you have to teach dance, or maybe you have to teach contemporary or salsa, or Bollywood, right? So here you are the king. You can decide whatever good you are into, you can start teaching that. And how to teach also. Yes, this is again very important. There is no one to tell you, there is no one to order you, there is no one कि आपको इसी तरह करना है, ये ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, this has to go like this only. You have that liberty and that freedom to teach the way you want to teach. All barriers are broken down. So sitting from your home, you and your laptop, that's your office. There is no barrier. You can teach from anywhere, maybe your own terrace, your balcony, your bedroom. Yes, you can go in the garden, in a park, in a cafe. So, and your client, your customer, your student could be anywhere in the world. So there is no barrier. The last point is flexibility of time. यहाँ पे आपको lot of flexibility मिलती है. There's a lot of flexibility available. You can start teaching in the morning, or maybe you can start teaching in the late night if you're a night person. It's not like कि बैच जब शुरू होगा, क्लास जब शुरू होगी तब मुझे वहाँ रहना होगा. आप अपने कन्वेंस के अनुसार टीच कर सकते हैं, पढ़ा सकते हैं, ट्रेन कर सकते हैं in whatever thing you are good into. So this is why these are the points which are convincing enough. This is the right time, my friends, to go online. Create some of the good content, whatever you are good into, whatever you expertise into. Create a good content and post it. And you will see slowly people will start liking it. People will start appreciating whatever you are doing. You will get paid. Yes, if you are finding difficulty in finding students, the customers, the participants, then online is the thing to do. Going to the next slide. So सबसे पहले तो I would say come into entrepreneur mindset. I believe कि जो भी सेशन ले रहे हैं, जो भी लोग सुन रहे हैं, that most of the people are not having are not entrepreneurs, but they are working somewhere. They are doing service or they are doing job into some organization, maybe some institute, right? कोई कॉर्पोरेट में आप जॉब कर रहे हैं. सो सबसे पहले अगर कुछ बदलाव लाना है आपको, तो आपको अपने माइंडसेट में लाना है. द फर्स्ट एक्शन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम योर ब्रेन. यू नीड टू थिंक लाइक एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. यू नीड टू थिंक लाइक अ बिजनेसमैन. बिकॉज यू आर स्टार्टिंग अ वेंचर. आप एक सर्विस या जॉब करते हुए इंसान की तरह नहीं सोच सकते. The person who's doing job or service, he doesn't have the risk-taking ability. He doesn't have the vision. He just thinks for the 1 month. After 1 month, on the 5th or 7th of the next month, he gets his salary and he's done. But entrepreneur has a longer vision. Entrepreneur has to take a risk. Entrepreneur has to put in his hard-earned money, has to invest some time also, has to have patience. So पहले तो आपको अपना mindset बदलना पड़ेगा. Let's see क्या क्या है mindset में. First is stop thinking like an employee, start thinking like an entrepreneur. Be ready to invest. So whatever business you are starting, no business on the earth starts without investing, but online is one business which requires very less amount. Yes, it's not like कि आपको बाहर जाके एक इंस्टीट्यूट खरीदना है या भाड़े पे लेना है, रेंट पे लेना है. आपको उसके इंटीरियर्स पे खर्चा करना है, उसके अंदर लाइटिंग, फिक्सचर्स, फर्नीचर्स पे इन्वेस्ट करना है. ये सब चीज की जरूरत नहीं है इसमें ये इसका प्लस पॉइंट है ऑफ ऑनलाइन टीचिंग, दैट यू रिक्वायर वेरी लेस इन्वेस्टमेंट. अ लैपटॉप, you and you are good to go. Yes, it will require some of the other equipments which we are going to discuss in the later stage. Ready to put in efforts. You have to be ready to put in efforts. You have to be ready to put in time. And don't quantify everything in money. It would be there. आपको ऐसा होगा कि आप बाहर अगर कहीं इंस्टीट्यूट में जा रहे पढ़ाने के लिए, तो आपको पर आवर यू आर मेकिंग let's say 250 rupees or 500 rupees or for 1000 rupees for one lecture. But here, when you're going online, then be ready to put in some time, invest some time of yours and efforts without expecting anything at the initial stage. The money will start coming in, the money will start flowing in, but at the later part. Initially आपको time देना पड़ेगा, involvement होना पड़ेगा इसमें, and if you are doing good work, if you are doing hard work, then of course your work would be appreciated. The next point is patience is the key. Yes friends, patience is very important. It's not like कि आपने business शुरू किया online teaching business and at the end of the month you are getting the return whatever time you have spent. This doesn't work like that. Business में पहले आपको बनाना पड़ेगा कुछ. You have to give lot of time and money and it will take some time to reap the benefits of whatever the efforts you have done. So ये एक पेड़ की तरह है. पेड़ को पहले आपको बीज को बोना पड़ेगा, उसको पानी डालना पड़ेगा, उस पे सन रेज आएंगे, यू हैव टू सिट आइडल, बट देन वंस द ट्री ब्लूम्स, ट्री हैज फ्रूट्स, बस फिर आपको बैठ के कुछ नहीं करना है. इट विल कीप गिविंग यू रिवॉर्ड्स और आपको बैठ के खाना है. सो पेशेंस इज वन थिंग विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Persistence, the next important thing that entrepreneurs should have is persistence. Persistence means regular efforts करते रहना. There would be lot of hurdles, there would be lot of problems. काफी रुकावटें आएगी बीच बीच में, पर आपको फिर रुक नहीं जाना, आपको चलते रहना, आपको efforts करते रहना. There would be times when you will feel कि ये क्या हो रहा है, मैंने इतने वीडियोस बना लिए, इतना कंटेंट बना लिया, मैं इतना प्रमोशन कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को, पर फिर भी स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आ रहे. Yes. So it will take some time, but if you have persistence, I'm sure that you're gonna grow, you are gonna be successful. Yes, I'm very sure about it. There is a very bigger population that is waiting for you to learn online. Now people are equipped with the mobile instrument or laptop. लोगों ने सीख लिया है कोविड-19 के बाद कि कैसे पढ़ना है ऑनलाइन बैठ के. सो अगर आप एक स्कूल टीचर भी हैं तो आप ट्यूशंस भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन, मे बी 5th स्टैंडर्ड 7th स्टैंडर्ड. मैंने देखा है मेरे बच्चे 3rd स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे 4th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे सबके हाथ में मोबाइल फोन है और आप प्ले कर सकते हैं अपने गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट में, या आप अच्छे से सिखा रहे हैं आप कुछ. सो देयर इज होल वर्ल्ड सिटिंग फॉर यू. स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग समथिंग व्हिच इज गुड एंड यू विल सी दैट पीपल gradually will start liking it. So entrepreneur mindset बनाइए पहले तो कि आपको एक बिजनेस शुरू करना है, एक बड़ा विजन है और उसके लिए आप एफर्ट्स एंड मनी दोनों डालने के लिए तैयार है. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो कैसे करें? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ इट? द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज एस्टैब्लिशिंग वेब प्रेजेंस. यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर वेब प्रेजेंस. ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस होनी चाहिए आपको. आपको फिजिकली लोग दुनिया में जानते हैं पर ऑनलाइन आपको कोई नहीं जानता. सो यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर वेब प्रेजेंस. नाउ व्हाट, हाउ डू यू डू इट? फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस अकाउंट. आपने सबने व्हाट्सएप पर्सनल अकाउंट्स यूज किए हुए हैं, व्हाट्सएप इंडिविजुअल अकाउंट्स किए हुए हैं. प्ले स्टोर में जाइए, गूगल प्ले स्टोर में या अपने फोन के एप्पल स्टोर में, एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस अकाउंट. देयर आर अमेजिंग टूल्स हियर फॉर द बिजनेस और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. So सबसे पहले तो उसमें अकाउंट क्रिएट कीजिए. They will ask you the details about your business. So do that. Create your own LinkedIn profile also. Most of the people, they know about Facebook, they know about Instagram, but they do not know about what is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a page, is a social networking site for the professionals. Create your own profile there. It's very easy. Go on the website, create account, register जैसे आपने Facebook पे किया होगा या Instagram में किया होगा. This is the way you do it. Second thing is Facebook and Instagram profile is very important. If you have your own profile on Facebook or Instagram, that is your personal account. I would say create your business ka web presence. Okay, create a Facebook business page wherein you will talk about the teaching or training that you are giving. So this is where people are going to connect with you. If they have any doubts, so where do they go? They are not going to talk with you on Facebook personal account or Instagram personal account handle. Create your business's Facebook and Instagram profile. The next step is create your own website or blog. Now website is very important. Okay, this is where your online presence is. Website will cost you around 5,000, 7,000 rupees. A basic small website will cost you, if you're a friend, if you find some freelancer, then a website could cost you around 4,000-5,000 rupees, not more than that. I would suggest strongly, if you want to get into this business, go for website creation. Create a website so that this creates the credibility and the trust among the person. The persons whom you are targeting is sitting at one corner of the world. You are sitting at the another corner. He doesn't knows you. How would he pay you fees? He doesn't know whether you are an authentic guy to give this training or teaching. So website will speak about you everything. Hence I feel website बहुत important है और आपको website create करनी ही चाहिए. Going to the next step. Now you decide model या delivery. आप ट्रेनिंग किस तरह देंगे. आपने एक बार वेब प्रेजेंस वो सब क्रिएट कर लिया है, पर मॉडल आपको कौन से मॉडल में जाना है, कौन सा डिलीवरी में जाना है, मेथड में. So there are basically 3 ways of delivery training. The first one is 1-to-1. So एक एक करके आपको ट्रेनिंग देनी है या ग्रुप कोचिंग देना है. ग्रुप कोचिंग could be 4-5 people and you are talking to them. So 1-to-1 करना है या ग्रुप कोचिंग करना है. The second way of delivery of teaching or training is live webinar. So live webinar is larger number of crowd, the larger number of people are there. So that is the second way. And third one is sell online pre-recorded course on various platforms. There are different kind of business platforms, friends, जहाँ पे आप अपने pre-recorded courses बेच सकते हैं. Yes, and you can make money out of it. So there are different platforms. Now you would ask me what are platforms. So let's say Amazon. Amazon.com is a platform wherein if you are making something, if you are producing something, you can go on Amazon and sell your product. Flipkart भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म है. इसी तरह बुक माई शो भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे लोग अपने थिएटर्स की या इवेंट्स की लिस्टिंग करते हैं, डांस पार्टीज की लिस्टिंग्स होती है, राइट, अम्यूजमेंट पार्क्स की लिस्टिंग होती है, और वहां जाके बुक माई शो इज जस्ट अ प्लेटफॉर्म और एक मार्केट प्लेस है वहां पे जाके लोग अपनी चीजें लिस्ट करते हैं और बाद में पीपल कैन बाय इट. सो जोमेटो or Swiggy is a platform for the restaurants, wherein different restaurants they can go on this website and list their product, their food business. So इसी तरह एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री के लिए भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. We will come to the later part. वहां पे आप अपना कोर्स रिकॉर्ड कीजिए और पोस्ट कीजिए. एक बार रिकॉर्ड हो गया, people will watch it, see it and pay you. So these are the 3 ways, basic 3 ways of delivery. You have to decide where you want to go. Now what are the prerequisites? क्या क्या चाहिए आपको अगर बिजनेस आपको शुरू करना है तो ऑनलाइन टीचिंग बिजनेस. The first one is stable internet connection. You need a very good internet connection. Stable is, I would advise, go for the cable connection rather than trying the SIM card Jio connection or SIM card wala 4G connection. I would suggest go for a cable connection because that is more stable. You need a laptop or PC. You need a software or a licensed version of software. Okay, so either you buy the software or you can pay to the online softwares which are available. So these are the 2 things, but you will require a good software through which you are going to stream or record whatever content you are creating. The last one is a camera and a mic. Phone camera will also do here. Yes, if you have a good phone camera to start with, it's good. You can start with a phone camera also. So these are the 4 things जो आपको चाहिए होगा कोई भी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस करने के लिए. Coming to the next slide. So now what is 1-to-1 और ग्रुप कोचिंग आप कैसे करेंगे? Now 1-to-1 ग्रुप कोचिंग ऐसे होगा कि you have a student और there are people who want to learn from you. आप मे भी स्कूल के ट्यूशंस लेना चाहते हैं, राइट, या तो फिर आपका कोई कोर्स है एंड देयर आर पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड. पहले मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि आपको कैसे डिलीवरी करना है. मैं ब्रांडिंग में बताऊंगा आपको स्टूडेंट्स कैसे लाने हैं, पर पहले आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ कि कैसे करना है. सो 1-to-1 या ग्रुप कोचिंग जब नंबर्स कम है बच्चों के, तो आई वुड एडवाइस गो फॉर गूगल मीट. गूगल मीट is a online platform wherein you can do meeting 1-to-1 or among 5 to 6 students. There are so many videos on YouTube which will teach you how to do Google Meet meetings, how to do 1-to-1 or group teaching. I will not go into detail एक ऐप के अंदर. आपको काफी मिल जाएंगे वीडियोस ऑनलाइन जो आपको बताएंगे कि गूगल मीट कैसे यूज किया जाता है। आप गूगल पे जाइए, क्रोम में जाइए, अपने ब्राउजर में जाइए, यू सर्च गूगल मीट, यू विल फाइंड इट, एंड देन देयर वुड बी स्टेप बाय स्टेप होल प्रोसेस। अगर आपके पास जीमेल की आईडी है आप उससे लॉग इन कर सकते हैं। सो गूगल मीट इज वन ऑफ द इजीएस्ट एप्लीकेशन। गो एंड प्ले अराउंड, click the tabs, click the buttons, ask someone if you have someone around who can explain you, help you with this. Second is WhatsApp video call. Now WhatsApp has got video call option through which you can do video calling with 8 people. तो 8 लोगों को आप देख सकते हैं at the same time, उनसे बात कर सकते हैं। सो अगर आपके पास 4-5 बच्चे हैं, अपने मोबाइल शुरू कीजिए, उसमें 4-5 जो भी आपके बच्चे हैं उनको कनेक्ट कीजिए। व्हाट्सएप सबके पास है अभी, इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर application, so people will keep the mobile phone in front of them and you can impart your training, you can deliver your course. So WhatsApp video call is another tool. The third one is Zoom. Zoom has become very popular nowadays. So Google Meet and Zoom are kind of same. Zoom has certain limitations. If you are going for the free account, if you are going for the paid account, you need to pay a very nominal amount and then you will have the complete rights of it. So ये 3 सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, ये 3 माध्यम है, ये 3 मीडियम्स है जिससे आप 1-to-1 या ग्रुप कोचिंग शुरू कर सकते हैं। द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड टॉक्स अबाउट लाइव वेबिनार। नाउ व्हाट इज लाइव वेबिनार? सो इफ द नंबर ऑफ पीपल आर मोर, लेट्स से 100, लेट्स से 50-60, maybe around 30-40, then live webinar is a good way to do. So how do you do live webinar? Then we have YouTube. You can log in your YouTube account through your Gmail ID, and वहाँ पे top right में there is an option of going live. Let me show you how to go live on YouTube live. Just a minute. So I will tell you how to go live on YouTube video. क्लिक youtube.com, क्रोम में youtube.com खोलिए और यहाँ पे टॉप राइट साइड ये कैमरा का एक सिंबल है, वहाँ पे जैसे आप क्लिक करेंगे देयर इज एन ऑप्शन ऑफ गोइंग लाइव, गो लाइव। क्लिक ऑन गो लाइव एंड वट एवर यू आर streaming, whatever is there with your camera would be streamed. They will ask you whether you want to go with public or private. अगर आपको कोई schedule करना है तो आप यहाँ पे schedule कर सकते हैं इवेंट को, and then they will give you the link, जो लिंक आप भेज सकते हैं। People would be able to connect whatever you are streaming. Streaming मतलब आप जो भी दिखाना चाहते हैं ऑनलाइन लोगों को। अगर आप कोई क्लास लेना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं। आपको यहाँ पे अपना टाइटल टाइप करना है, यहाँ पे लेट्स से अगर class 10th science, so you can have a title whether it is public or private. आप public private टिक कर सकते हैं, and let's say if I go private, so you can schedule for some later date. It's kids, it's for kids, it's not for kids, and अगर आप next करेंगे तो फिर it will give you a link which if anyone clicks on the link will be able to see whatever is being streamed. So this is going YouTube live webinar. Coming back to our slideshow, so YouTube live है, उसी तरह एक Facebook live का भी ऑप्शन है। So आप Facebook पे भी जाके लाइव स्ट्रीम कर सकते हैं। I would suggest do not go live on your mobile phone whenever you are teaching। अगर आप ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, तो don't go on mobile phone. Use a laptop. That is much better than going to any other, right? Instagram also has a going live option. So ये देखा आपने YouTube live कैसे करते हैं। इसी तरह facebook.com पे जाएंगे तो Facebook live का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा, और Instagram पे जाएंगे तो Instagram live का ऑप्शन आ जाएगा। I would suggest अगर आप लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कर रहे हैं YouTube या Facebook पे, do not use your mobile phone. Go for a laptop or PC. Okay, that will have more options, that will give you more clarity. You will be able to use it, you will be able to see your audience, आप उसमें chat कर पाएंगे, people will be able to ask you questions, queries, everything would be possible. So use computer, that is strongly recommended. Coming to the next slide, sell online pre-recorded courses. Now what are these online platforms? I have sorted out 5 best platforms to create and sell online. So these are the 5 platforms which I have done a lot of research on. There are basic requirements. There are certain features that all platforms have in the market to give, they share the revenue whatever they are going, how much these platforms are popular. For example, if you are planning to sell some product, then you will go on Flipkart or Amazon. You are not going to go some other websites which are not doing that well or which are not that popular. अगर आपको कपड़े बेचने हैं तो you will go on Myntra, right? You will go on the sites which are much popular than rather than going into a small marketplace. These are the 5 places which are very popular, and I would say Udemy. You should go with the Udemy. Udemy बहुत पॉपुलर वेबसाइट है, एंड द कंपनी इज मार्केटिंग इटसेल्फ, उनको खुद वो प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ people coming on the Udemy. There are a lot of courses available. There are a lot of audience. There are a lot of customers who are coming on Udemy to learn new things. उनके टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस भी उतने स्ट्रिंजेंट नहीं है, इजी है, लिबरल है. They share the revenue also. The revenue is if you are getting student from Udemy itself, they give you 50%. So 50% वो रखते हैं और 50% आपको देते हैं. अगर आपके स्टूडेंट आपके थ्रू आते हैं, yes, आपके थ्रू भी आ सकते हैं. For example, if someone wants to do certain course and then you tell them कि okay, I have this course loaded on Udemy, you go on Udemy, but you have to give them a keyword, a password by which they will be able to access the Udemy course. Udemy will give you this kind of passwords. If you have loaded your course there, if you have uploaded there, Udemy आपको खुद ये passwords देगी जो आप अपने students को दे सकते हैं. अगर कोई student directly आ रहा है Udemy पे तो आपको 100% revenue देगी. 100% जो भी पेमेंट हो रहा है वो आपका रहेगा. So Udemy is one of the best platforms. I feel that you should go for. There are other ones as well, but Udemy is the one which you should go and target. Now you will ask me how Vishal Udemy works. Then I will explain you Udemy कैसे काम करता है. Let me open the Udemy website and show you. So we'll go to the Chrome and यहाँ पे अब udemy.com मैं बताता हूँ आपको कैसे चलता है ये. I open this website udemy.com. You have to sign up first, and I've created my account already. So otherwise you can directly sign up or log in from your Google ID. This is my Google ID showing here. I'll go with my Google login. Once I am there inside, so there are two tabs basically. On the top right hand side, if you see instructor and my courses. Okay, so my courses are, if you want to learn something, तो आप यहाँ से कोई भी कोर्स ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं. Udemy में there are different courses and you need to pay whatever the amount is. I have bought official NLP practitioner certification course and life coaching certificate course. So this is the course which is going on. वो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. And if you want to sell something, then you have to go into instructor tab. So click on the instructor here. This is the instructor tab which has opened. Now, whatever course you want to start, you can click new course here. It's whole guided process completely. You click on the new course. Let's click on the new course. So they will take you to this page which says, and it also has steps from 1 to 4. It is very well organized, very well structured, step-by-step process, which will guide you completely how to upload your courses here, whatever you wish to teach. So they're asking first, let's find out what type of course you are making. So is it a course or a practice test? So let's say you are making a course. आप कोर्स बना रहे हैं तो कोर्स पे क्लिक करेंगे. कोर्स पे सिलेक्ट करके कंटिन्यू का बटन दबाना है. Now they're asking how about a working title. So क्या टाइटल देना चाहते हैं आप कोर्स को? आपको जो भी कोर्स का टाइटल देना है. यहाँ पे है लर्न फोटोशॉप CS6 फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. आप कोर्स का कुछ और नाम भी दे सकते हैं. लेट्स से बिगिनर्स गाइड टू what? To flute, to playing flute, something like that. So maybe this could be the name, or social studies for standard 10th. Maybe this could be the name of the course for CBSE board. इस तरह का आप कुछ नाम दे सकते हैं. जो आपको पढ़ाना हो, जो आपको सिखाना हो. सपोज digital marketing for beginners, right? Let's have this as a course name. Continue करेंगे. Choose category best fits the knowledge you will share. So यहाँ पे different types of category आ गया है. कौन से category में आपको डालना है, whether it's personal development, it's design, it's marketing, lifestyle, photography. ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग है तो मार्केटिंग सेक्टर में डाल सकते हैं इसको। हाउ मच टाइम यू कैन स्पेंड क्रिएटिंग योर कोर्स पर वीक, सो आप कितना टाइम डिवोट कर सकते हैं वो ये भी पूछ रहा है। उसी तरह आपका ये टाइम टेबल बना के देंगे, आपका एजेंडा, आपका पूरा स्ट्रक्चर वे में बना के देंगे। You are very busy and so you can only spend 0 to 2 hours per week, the first thing. Second option is I will work on this on site 2 to 4 hours, right? 5+ hours per week, or I haven't decided what time I can spend. Let's say you can spend around 2 to 4 hours a week, okay, which is very comfortable, you can spend it easily. 2 to 4 hours जैसे करते हैं, यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड पे बॉटम पे आ जाता है बटन क्रिएट कोर्स का। क्रिएट कोर्स को क्लिक करते हैं एंड सी क्या खुल रहा है। अगेन दे आर आस्किंग फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस, टारगेट योर स्टूडेंट्स, so the description you write here will help students decide if your course is the one for them. What will students learn in your course? So now you have to write down everything, all the aspects that you are going to teach, and what all things, elements are there in the course and students are going to learn it. So you need to jot down here. If you want to add more line, you can add more line here from add and answer. The next question is, are there any course requirements or prerequisites? So there are certain requirements of a course also. Like, let's say if you're designing a course for IELTS or PTE, then you will require that a person should know basic grammar or basic English, right? So you can enter this as a prerequisite. If you are teaching advanced level something, then you expect that a student has a basic level expertise or basic level of learning or understanding of the subject. So whatever the basic requirements is, you can mention here. If you want to add more options, you can add here more. Who are your target students? Now, whom you are targeting the student, the course. So if it is a digital marketing course, you will be targeting to the people who are into digital marketing, right? Who are into online sales, who are into online business. So you need to find out your target students here, put that down, and you can add in more options as well. Once you have done this, you can click here save. I have not written anything, so save का option नहीं आ रहा है टॉप राइट पे। जैसे जैसे आप आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, they will ask you to decide the course structure. They will give you all the tips, and course structure के बाद setup and test video. Once you have done whole structuring and everything, you can start uploading your videos. On that right hand side, see it is saying create a test video. So you can create a video, step by step lessons. Let's say you can divide your whole course into 10 lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and create video for each lesson. The way I have created this video for a session of how to start your online business, in the same way you can divide your whole course into different lessons and post the videos here. Create your content, curriculum, you need to give the captions also, and then publishing of your course. Once the publishing is done, you can come to the pricing part. How much price do you want to charge from your student, and which account you want to get the money credited into. So friends, this is basically how you can load the course, upload your course on Udemy website, and how you can start teaching online. This is kind of your institute or a class you are opening into the online platform, which will give you a lot of clicks, because Udemy is a very popular website wherein lot of people, if you want to learn something, then they come on Udemy. अगर आप Google में ऐसे भी सर्च कर लेंगे ना कि ऑनलाइन टीचिंग, ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, so Udemy would be among the top websites which will show up. So Udemy here is showing on the first, and it's an advertisement. So Udemy is promoting this website in a very good way. So I would suggest everyone to go for the Udemy. Coming back to our website, the presentation. So yeah, so we were on this slide, and I was talking about the 5 best platforms to create and sell online. I have talked about Udemy, how does Udemy works, and how to upload your course, and what are the basic terms and conditions. You can go ahead and read into it. Coming to our next slide. Now friends, आपने अपना कोर्स डिसाइड कर लिया कि क्या कहाँ पे बनाना है, आपने डिलीवरी का मॉडल डिसाइड कर लिया, 1-to-1 करना है या वेबिनार करना है। क्या पढ़ाना है, कैसे पढ़ाना है वो डिसाइड हो गया है, बट नाउ स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ से लाए? आप बोलेंगे विशाल हमको पढ़ाना आता है, कैसे पढ़ाना है वो भी आता है, पर मैं स्टूडेंट्स कैसे लाऊं? लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैंने अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लास खोल ली है, एक ऑनलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट खोल लिया, एक दुकान खोल ली, एक शॉप खोल लिया जहां पे मैं ऑनलाइन पढ़ा रहा हूँ। सो आपने ये तो हुआ कि आपने दुकान खोल ली, पर अब क्लासेस खोल लिया, इंस्टीट्यूट खोल लिया, एक प्लेस खोल लिया जहां पे आप पढ़ा रहे हो, बट देन you don't know how to promote yourself. So this is very important, promotion. The first is share stories, status on various social media handles. आपके पास व्हाट्सएप है, आपके पास बिजनेस व्हाट्सएप है, आपके पास फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, आपने अपनी प्रोफाइल बनाई है जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट सेकंड स्लाइड में बताई थी, उस पर स्टोरीज डालना शुरू कीजिए। आपके सर्कल में जितने भी लोग हैं उनको बताइए कि यू हैव स्टार्टेड टीचिंग ऑनलाइन। द क्लोजेस्ट पीपल हु आर नियरेस्ट टू यू, they are the best people to promote you. They know how good you are into certain things. So आप उनको बताइए कि आप ये शुरू कर रहे हैं, you have started this thing teaching online, and people will start referring you, right? Ask them. Second thing is distribute flyers or brochures, as we do with the offline training or teaching. In the same manner, distribute flyers or brochures offline as well. Get the flyers and brochures printed that this is my online course, or I teach online also. This is my following courses. You can mention the fees. You can share your Instagram, Facebook handles, and your YouTube channel links on it, and spread these flyers and brochures around. Maybe near the institutes, or maybe wherever your students, the target students are. Second thing is hire expert for SEO or SMM. Yeah, friends. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, and SMM stands for social media marketing. So you can hire an expert for doing all these things, social search engine optimization and social media marketing. You can go on freelancer.com and hire someone. You can go on Just Dial, you can ask on Google, you can ask some of the people, your friends, that where you can find a social search engine optimization, wherein if people search, then your name should come on the top. So ये करने के लिए आप एक एक्सपर्ट को हायर कर सकते हैं जो आपके लिए, आपके बिहाफ पे सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग कर देगा और सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कर देगा। दूसरा एक आइडिया है शूट बल्क ईमेल एंड एसएमएस। ये भी बाहर एजेंसीज हैं जो करती हैं। यू कैन गो ऑन जस्ट डायल, यू कैन गो ऑन गूगल एंड सर्च bulk email marketing or SMS marketing, and you will find a lot of people who will be doing this on your behalf. The last option is paid promotion on Google, Facebook and Instagram. So I mark this in red color, paid promotion on Google, Facebook and Instagram. ये बहुत ही इफेक्टिव वे है आपको मार्केटिंग करने का. It will give you upper hand with in comparison to all your competition. So if you can learn this thing, go on Google, on YouTube, learn on your own, or you have an experts who can do on your behalf. पेड प्रमोशन कर सकते हैं गूगल, फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम का. आप नेट पे सर्च कर सकते हैं, आपको एक्सपर्ट्स मिल जाएंगे जो आपके लिए ये कर देंगे. So this is how you can promote yourself, you can market yourself, and people will get to know about you that you have started this business, and business will start flowing in. Once you have done it, what else you can do? So you can create your brand awareness by following these things, doing these things like YouTube channel. Create your YouTube channel. In the upcoming days, YouTube is gonna boom. It is booming as of now, and this is going to create trust of yours in the eyes of your students, in the eyes of your participants, the individuals. So I would suggest create a YouTube channel, keep posting videos, you will have followers there. Podcast is something which is new, which is coming up. Create your own podcast. Podcasts are in form of audios. You can record your audios, you can give tips and tricks in the podcast, and you can share the links to the students. Students will be listening it. You don't make any money out of it. You can make money through YouTube, but at the later stage, in the initial stage, just take this as a brand awareness platform, a medium to create your brand awareness. The third thing is start writing blogs. You can start writing blogs even. This will also make you searchable. People will be able to search you very easily if you have your own blogs in your name. So this will help creating your brand awareness. Now, final thought on this. I have created this slide just to show you the potential that teaching business has. and what people are writing about teaching. So these are few of the parents, these are few of the influencers on Twitter and what they are tweeting. So there's this lady, Santa Blair, and she tweeted, "I am with you. My 6-year-old has me wanting to go hug my neighbors and strangers. Teachers don't make enough money or get enough credit for the monumental work they do." So she's saying that we teachers, the teachers, they do monumental work and we are not getting our effort. When parents started spending time with their kids, when they started teaching their own students, when they started doing homeschooling, they got to know that what teachers are doing is really respectable and something which is really monumental. Shonda Rhimes, she says, see her Twitter, it got retweeted and 102k people are talking about that tweet, what Shonda Rhimes has done. She's saying, being homeschooling a 6-year-old and an 8-year-old for 1 hour and 11 minutes, teachers deserve to make $1 billion a year or a week. Are you getting me? Did you listen? $1 billion a week. This is what one of the influencers says. In the same way, there is another influencer. So people are talking about it that teachers deserve a lot more than what they are really getting. And so I feel in this kind of time when people are locked down at home, online business is going to boom. And if you are not on the online platform, you should start now. This is another article which come in front of my eyes. This is an organization called Apply Board, and in the time of quarantine, see, in the time of quarantine, this news is of May 5th, 2020, when everything is locked down due to coronavirus, still the investors are investing their money into businesses. Yes, and what businesses they are investing into? So Canadian dollar 100 million was the money which was invested into an organization called Apply Board. It's a Canadian organization, and they got 100 million Canadian dollars. These people are into online business, online education business. They provide online admissions to international colleges. So this kind of businesses are going to boom. These are the businesses which has future. And so I also ask you all, whoever is into teaching business should get into teaching on the online platform. Create your website, create your course on any of the platforms. Start teaching what on WhatsApp, and create your own YouTube channel, podcast, Udemy, but start your own business. So friends, I would like to share this small story, a very quick story. This is a book called The Parable of the Pipeline, and the book became very popular. It was one of the best-selling book, and there is a story which goes like there were two friends called Bruno and Pablo. A very interesting story, friends. Please listen it carefully, and you will. I hope this will motivate you to start your own business. So there are two friends, Bruno and Pablo, and they are into a small village, and they are looking for certain income. So they see an advertisement in a newspaper which says that the village head, the main head of the village, requires people to get water from top of the hill to the village. Okay, so the villagers are looking for the people who can get the water down the hill, getting from the pond. And Bruno and Pablo go there, give their talk to this villager, the head of the villager, and they get recruited for collecting the water in the bucket. Now they get almost around 500 rupees per day for getting 5 buckets, so 100 rupees per bucket, and they're working hard doing this. And slowly and gradually, Bruno and Pablo become happy. They start buying things. They have bought their own cycle. They have bought their small house. They are able to, meet their daily requirements. But one day, Pablo says to Bruno that, friend, tomorrow if we are not able to do this thing, to carry the bucket from the uphill, tomorrow if we get sick, what if we get handicapped, then how will our home run? Who will earn money for us? How is going to money flow in to our houses? Because our whole family is dependent on us. So have you thought about this? And Bruno says that I don't want to think anything. I am fit and I can get the buckets out from the hill, and I'm living a good normal life. and I don't want to get much into all this thing. So Pablo gives an advice that let's create a pipeline from top of the pond till the village. But Bruno disagrees to this, and he says that he's not interested. Pablo goes home, and from the next day, when Bruno is getting buckets filled with water to the village, Pablo gets only 2 buckets in which he can live his life with normal requirements fulfilled, and rest of the time he's digging to feed the pipeline. All people around the village are laughing on Pablo because Bruno is constantly getting 5 buckets daily, earning 500 rupees, meeting his needs. He has bought a small house also, he is married, he's living his life happily. But Pablo is struggling because he makes only 200 rupees. He has just money to feed himself and his families. He cannot buy more of luxuries, but he's digging the pipeline. It takes around 6 months, and once in 6 months the pipeline is ready, Pablo has doesn't works a single day. Pablo को एक दिन भी काम नहीं करना पड़ता. Pablo आराम से बैठा हुआ है. He just switches on, he puts on the tap, and the water starts flowing in. Whereas Bruno is still busy with getting the buckets. He is completely utilized with his time. He is not able to give time to his family also. He is completely tired, and he is worried that if I get sick, then who will get the money in the house? So friends, we are in same kind of situation right now. As corona is there, as we are under lockdown, we have also the same insecurity. We cannot go outside, we do not have we have to have the social distance. We don't know that the organization which we are working for may close down tomorrow. So what do you want to be in the future? So here are these two people, Pablo and Bruno. You can see Pablo is sitting idle getting water, whereas Bruno is lifting the buckets. 95% of the people in the world are bucket carriers. Yes, only 5% are creating pipelines. My question to you is, are you bucket carrier or pipeline maker? I would leave you with this question. These are my channel links, so please follow me on YouTube, youtube.com/motivation. I have my podcast on anchor.fm/motivation. I have my Instagram handle, Instagram/motivation by Vishal, facebook.com, LinkedIn. My email ID is there if you want to know anything, if you want any kind of information or advice. And I have also given my phone number if you want to get any other information, or if you want this kind of workshops to be done for your institute. Thank you.